Hey nature lovers, and welcome back to our channel. When we think of butterflies, we picture delicate, beautiful creatures fluttering among flowers. But what if I told you some of these colorful insects are hiding a dark secret? Today we're re-diving into the world of 10 unique butterfly species that are more than just pretty wings. They're renacious, colorful, and sometimes toxic guardians. Let's start with number 10, the famous monarch butterfly. We all love seeing their iconic orange and black wings in the springtime, but these beauties are actually poisonous. How it all starts with their favorite food, milkweed. As caterpillars, they munch on this toxic plant, storing up potent chemicals called cardioglycosides. These toxins stay with them into adulthood, making them a very unpleasant meal for any predator that dares to take a bite. Next up at number 9 is the stunning red lacewing from Asia. Its vibrant orange, black, and white pattern isn't just for show. It's a bold warning sign that screams, "Don't eat me." Just like the monarch, the red lacewing gets its toxicity from its diet as a caterpillar, feeding on passionflower leaves. Even in its larval stage, it's covered in spines that can irritate the skin of anything that gets too close. Coming in at number 8, we have the striped longwing. This butterfly is fascinating because it's one of the longest living species. Its defense strategy is a double whammy. As a caterpillar, it stores toxins from passionflower leaves. Then, as an adult butterfly, it actually eats pollen and metabolizes it into cyanogenic glycosides, a form of cyanide. What's even more incredible is that a female can pass these toxins directly to her eggs, giving her offspring a defensive advantage right from the start. And number 7 is the pipevine swallowtail, one of the most toxic butterflies known. Its striking, iridescent blue-black wings are a sight to behold, but they hide a potent secret. The caterpillars feed exclusively on poisonous pipevine plants, which are loaded with something called aristolochic acid. This makes both the caterpillar and the adult butterfly incredibly foul-tasting to predators. In fact, they are so well defended that other non-toxic butterfly species have evolved to mimic their appearance for protection. Cruising into our number 6 spot is a butterfly with a rather curious name, the postman. Native to Central and South America, the postman also gets its poison from passionflower plants during its caterpillar stage. They are so famously toxic that other species often fly in mixed flocks with them, using the postman's bad reputation as a shield. Not only do they taste bad, but they also release a pungent odor that even humans can smell from a distance. At the halfway point, number 5, we meet another milkweed enthusiast, the queen butterfly. A close relative of the monarch, the queen also accumulates toxins from milkweed and oleander plants. Their appearance is slightly different, with rich, orange-brown wings outlined in black and dotted with white spots that seem to glow. You can find these regal insects in a wide range of habitats, from swamps and fields to deserts across North and South America. Flying in at number 4 is the tiny but mighty Atala butterfly. This little gem is truly unique. Found in South Florida and the Caribbean, it has velvety black wings with brilliant metallic blue spots and a bright red abdomen. This coloration is a clear warning of its toxicity. The Atala gets its poison from an ancient plant called the kuntisap, which has been around since the time of the dinosaurs. The butterfly can safely process the plant's toxins, but its predators cannot. Number 3 takes us to Asia and Australia to meet the common Indian crow, with its dark wings edged in white. This butterfly sources its toxins from oleander and milkweed. Its defense is so effective that it has its own fan club of mimics, including several other butterfly species that are perfectly edible but copy the crow's look to stay safe. If a predator does manage to grab one, the Indian crow will often play dead and secrete a toxic fluid that causes the attacker to vomit and immediately let go. Our runner-up at number 2 is the magnificent birdwing, found in the tropical rainforests of Asia and Australia. Birdwings are among the largest butterflies on Earth, and most of them are poisonous. Like the swallowtails, their caterpillars feed on toxic vines. Sadly, their spectacular size and beauty have made them a prime target for collectors, and many species are now endangered, reminding us that their greatest threat isn't predators, but humans. And finally, at number 1 we have a master of deception, the African mocker swallowtail. This butterfly is famous not for being poisonous itself, but for its incredible ability to mimic other toxic species. So why is it on our list? Well, it's believed that the caterpillars get a taste of toxicity by feeding on a plant containing warbane, a poison so potent it's used by hunters on arrow tips to take down animals as large as hippos. This borrowed toxicity gives the butterfly its vibrant color and keeps it safe from predators. Now, after hearing all this, you might be a little wary of these winged wonders, but don't worry. While these butterflies are toxic to birds and other small predators, they are perfectly safe for humans to handle. Even if your curious cat or dog were to snatch one, the foul taste and smell would make them spit it out instantly, likely resulting in nothing more than an upset stomach. So please, continue to enjoy the breathtaking beauty of these insects in your garden. They are a testament to the incredible and complex strategies nature uses to survive. Thanks for joining us on this toxic tour. If you learned something new, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts about the natural world. See you next time.